2025 marks the end of the familiar AI era, because what's coming next isn't just smarter models, it's systems that act, decide, and evolve on their own. Welcome to the dawn of the autonomous economy, an economy where intelligence becomes infrastructure, quiet, unseen, yet everywhere. For the past decade, we've raced to build better AI. Chatbots, content generators, copilots. They changed our workflows, but the core logic stayed human. In 2026, the competition flips. AI stops just responding and begins acting. That's the leap from generative, agentic AI. According to recent data, agentic systems are already being rolled out in pilots and some narrow domains. But it's not just about value, it's about who controls the logic. Generative models produce content. Agentic systems pursue goals. Agents plan, execute, learn, and update decisions on the fly, contacting other systems without a human in the loop. Early deployments show promise, yet only a fraction of pilots make it to full production. This shift is silent because it happens in code, across networks, at machine speed. Imagine a company that never sleeps. No management meetings, no approvals, no waiting. Every process, from supply chain to sales, R&D to customer service, is run by digital agents. These agents plan, execute, learn, collaborate. This is the autonomous economy, logic replacing management, data replacing labor. Market projections show the autonomous agent market is growing fast, from a few billion in 2024 to tens of billions by 2030. Yet many deployments still struggle. Only a fraction of pilot projects make it to full production. In autonomous firms, managers set goals and rules. Agents execute routine choices. Agents learn from outcomes and adjust, reducing delay and creating continuous action. Some turn pilots into core systems, others pull back. Adoption will be uneven, shaped by data quality, integration, and governance. The path is bumpy, but the destination changes how work gets done. Just as factories powered the industrial age, today's digital grids power the cognitive age. Gigafactories, data centers, steam engines, GPUs and quantum chips, agents, software workforces. Telecom and cloud giants are collaborating to build autonomous networks using agentic AI. The architecture is shifting. Edge, cloud, decentralized systems become the rails of the new economy. Clouds host agent services, chips do the heavy lifting, networks move the data. These investments shape who can run complex agents, and at what cost. Who controls that infrastructure controls the economy. For societies, the key question is who governs these layers? Access, transparency, competition. Private contracts and platform choices can either lock in or open up markets. The network's architecture channels how agents act and for whom. Autonomous systems don't simply speed up workflows, they change rules. Autonomous logistics, self-driving fleets directed by agents. Autonomous finance, digital funds that invest themselves. Autonomous research, agents discovering new materials without human oversight. The economic scale? Huge. Recent reports project major value creation. But with that comes risk. Who owns the output of an AI that taught itself? Who regulates algorithmic decisions? These questions aren't philosophical, they're economic. The change demands new contracts, clearer rules, and sharper oversight. Firms that adapt fast may gain big, while those that mismanage risk may lose money and trust. Value will flow to those who align autonomy with governance. In the autonomous economy, the biggest winners won't just build AI, they design the logic behind it. Control over the decision layer means control of capital. Platforms that set agent rules shape outcomes. They decide which objectives matter and how agents weigh risks and rewards. Established players and startups alike are racing to build agentic platforms, but many will fail. Over 40% of current agentic AI projects are predicted to be canceled by 2027 due to cost and value issues. Consolidation will concentrate power and choice. The gap between users and owners of AI logic will define the next decade of wealth. Public policy can limit unfair bundling, protect users, and require transparency. If machines do the work, what's left for humans? The answer is meaning, creativity, leadership, setting missions, designing outcomes. In this new paradigm, the human advantage isn't speed or muscle, it's purpose. Machines will handle execution. Humans must define direction. Judgment, ethics, and empathy remain central and irreplaceable. Managers should write clear goals and audit behavior. Workers need pathways to oversight, design, and strategy. Regulators need tools to assess systems. Humans must hold the broader view and the moral account. That balance will shape trust and long-term success. Those who can craft the vision will thrive. We're entering the autonomous economy, a world powered by invisible networks of decision-making machines. The question isn't whether you'll use AI, it's whether you'll work with it, control it, or be controlled by it. Subscribe to MoneyGrid AI, where we don't predict the future, we decode it. Like, share, and comment with how your team plans to work with agents in 2026.